As we all know, after the all-success from OnePlus 5 and 5T, now the company OnePlus seems to launch the successor to the predecessor with OnePlus 6. Yes guys, today we have the first live image of the OnePlus 6, which shows the front and back of the phone. As per the leaked image, the back of the phone is looking a lot inspired from the recently launched Galaxy S9. The image shows the new OnePlus 6 with metal and glass back, and there is a glossy finish at the back of the phone. The picture shows the OnePlus 6 with vertically aligned dual cameras. The fingerprint scanner is just below the camera module. Just below the fingerprint scanner, we have the OnePlus logo. Do let us know what's your opinion after watching the back of the phone. After watching the back, the front picture of the phone shows an iPhone X-like notch, carrying the selfie camera with earpiece above the display, and features a nearly bezel-less display with curved corners. Apart from that, we can also see some more details in display. According to the picture, the upcoming OnePlus 6 will have 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage space, and it is running on Android 8.1 out of the box with December month security update. It is running on Oxygen OS 5.1 on top. The OnePlus 6 might be powered by the Snapdragon 845 chipset. No more details were leaked about the smartphones till now. After watching these pictures, did you like the new OnePlus 6 design? Do leave your thoughts in the comments section below. As always, OnePlus will not launch the OnePlus 6 anytime sooner than June 2018. So we still have a lot of time for some more leaks might pop up soon. That's all guys, thanks for watching, hope you liked the video, make sure to get subscribed to our channel, and as